Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today we are going to make Matar Chila. Matar as in green peas, and we are using fresh green peas today because it's in season. And we'll use a mixture of gram flour and rice flour to make this chila. This can be a breakfast as well as a snack option. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description box below. Please do check it out before you start. So let's start cooking. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for making the chila. So I've got in here rice flour, turmeric, salt and gram flour. In here I've got grated paneer, grated carrot, chopped tomatoes, chopped green chillies, and this is cooked green peas which I have ground in the mixie into a coarse paste like this. Apart from this, we'll also need some oil to grease the chilas in. So let's start making the dish. Into the flour, we'll add tomatoes, green chilli, green peas, carrot and the grated paneer. Let's mix all this together. Now I'm going to add water and make this into a batter. I'm going to be using 1 1/4 cup of water here. Everything's mixed together and the batter is ready. Now I've got a cast iron pan on fire. It's heated up nicely. I've greased it with oil. I'm going to pour the batter and then spread it out like a dosa. Now we'll grease this with some oil and cook this until it's golden brown on the bottom. It's like it's done from the bottom, so let's flip it. And we'll let it cook from the other side as well. This is done from both sides. Let's remove it into a plate. So that's Matar Chila done and ready. Serve this with some green chutney and it'll be a yummy breakfast or a snack recipe. If you like this recipe, please do comment below and subscribe and like and share my channel. Until I see you next time, bye bye.